On here, do a quick video on my Fezibo 63-inch rising standing desk, I should say, electric motorized standing desk. Just actually see, I just got it put together. I'm putting together my office, so excuse the mess over there. Everything's eventually going to go on, but I figured this was a good idea to do this video before I put all of my stuff on it. First off here, I want to talk about the build quality, because this was actually a very well-built desk. I had to put it together. It took me about 45 minutes to put everything together. They give you all the tools except a Phillips head screwdriver, which you do need. But what I was surprised with, though, is that all this top here is genuine wood. There is no plastic anywhere on the desk except the little control pad over here. This whole frame down here, this is all metal. But one thing that I really do, I'm not sure if I can get it here on camera, but if you look, they actually, in between the metal and the wood, all of the points where it attaches, they put little rubber grommets so that there's no, I guess there's no vibration, there's no, it just kind of cushions it and makes it that much better. I thought that was a really good manufacturing detail that they did when they put the desk together. You've got the fabric drawer right here in the front. I actually picked up the drawer because I'm going to put like my mouse, some of my camera equipment, my cords. I'm a content creator, so I want to put some of my stuff that I don't always use in my desk right there. But one thing I did like about this is that if you're taller, this goes up really, really high. It moves a little bit slow because it's a single motor. It's not a dual motor setup. But this goes all the way up to 46 inches. Now, I'm 6 foot tall, and this is up to my chest right now. Okay, and it's up to my chest because I put the optional wheels on here so that once I have everything put, I'll basically just have my power cord and I can just kind of roll the desk around. But with that on there, I'm 6 foot tall and this is too tall for even me. So if you're someone who's 6'3", 6'4", this is the perfect desk for you. But they also have these little buttons here are memory. So for instance, I moved it all the way up. I set it to my standing height before, and it'll just automatically go down to the height where I had it, which I think is really, really cool. I haven't seen this on any other desk. And then if you want to, again, once I get my chair in there, I'm going to bring it all the way down, set it the right way, and then set a memory. Basically what you do is you hit the S button, hit the keypad. Now that's the remembered height. So if I go over here, we'll bring it back up there, and then if I want to bring it down here to number 1, I thought that was really, really cool. So overall, well-built desk. It's big enough. I got the 63-inch, so there's going to be plenty of monitors and workspace here. And I've also got a clip back here. I'm actually going to clip a monitor stand over there, so that even works even better. But overall, I'm happy with the purchase, and I think you will be too.
Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.